CapitalAfflux.com presents itself as a regulated global broker offering access to thousands of trading instruments. But in reality, it has no license, no verifiable company registration, and no physical presence. Behind the professional-looking design hides yet another shell project created to collect deposits from inexperienced investors. The company claims to provide trading through the MetaTrader 5 platform and lists over 1,000 financial instruments, including currency pairs, commodities, stocks, indices, and digital currencies. However, not a single one of these claims is backed by evidence. The supposed trading conditions show obvious placeholders instead of real data, such as broken leverage values marked $1. Even the spreads are presented in vague numbers, making it clear that the information was copied from a generic template rather than from an actual trading platform. The domain CapitalAfflux.com was registered on the 10th of October 2025, making it brand new. It is hosted through Cloudflare, which hides the identity of the owner, and the site status in WOAS is marked as Client Transfer Prohibited. This configuration is standard for temporary projects that appear for a few months, collect deposits, and disappear. The address listed on the site, 33 Great Charles Street in Birmingham, is nothing more than a virtual mailbox shared by hundreds of shell companies. There is no verified office, no legal entity, and no listing in the UK Companies House. The website claims compliance with MiFID II, but without a registration number or official licensing body, this statement is meaningless. Searches across the main financial regulators, including the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, show no record of Capital Afflux or any related firm. The promise of trading on MetaTrader 5 is also unsubstantiated. There is no official server registered under this name in the MetaQuotes directory, and the company does not provide a demo login or any public access credentials. That means that the trading interface, if it exists at all, is most likely a web imitation designed to display fake numbers on a dashboard while user deposits are diverted elsewhere. The platform claims to offer high leverage, instant execution, and full transparency, yet it publishes no liquidity providers, no counterparty information, and no proof of real trading volume. The communication channels of Capital Afflux are minimal. There is only one email address, support@capitalafflux.com, and no working phone number or live chat. The tone of the website's text is clearly generated from the same template used by numerous previous scam projects. Even the typography, layout, and structure mirror the appearance of already exposed fraudulent brokers such as VestoFX, Nova Edge Markets, and Alma Market Pro. These companies followed an identical pattern. They appeared online, offered unrealistic returns, accepted deposits, then blocked withdrawals once users requested their funds. The lack of transparency extends to the legal documentation. Capital Afflux provides no terms of service, no client agreement, and no key information document. Without these materials, users have no contractual protection or defined rights. There are no risk disclosures or references to negative balance protection, which are required by regulated entities within the European Union and the United Kingdom. This complete absence of formal documentation further proves that Capital Afflux is not operating as a legitimate broker, but as an unregulated online investment trap. Its marketing language is filled with phrases like trusted by professionals, regulated under European law, and providing market access to thousands of instruments. Yet every verifiable element contradicts these claims. The company name is missing from all public registers. The address is rented. The domain is only a few months old. There is no evidence of financial oversight, and the trading conditions are copied from a template. These inconsistencies are not random mistakes. They are intentional elements of deception designed to create an illusion of legitimacy for unsuspecting investors. A comparison between Capital Afflux and an actual licensed broker under the FCA or CYSEC shows a clear contrast. Real brokers maintain detailed public records, years-long domain histories, verified headquarters, official MetaTrader servers, and full sets of legal documents accessible to clients. Capital Afflux has none of these. Instead, it offers only promises, vague statistics, and empty language about innovation and transparency. As of late 2025, there are no verified user reviews or independent evaluations of Capital Afflux. This silence is typical for newly launched fraudulent platforms. They rarely allow genuine feedback to appear online because accounts that question their legitimacy are blocked or deleted. Independent trust analysis services, including Scam Advisor, have already marked the website as high risk due to its lack of regulation, hidden ownership, and brief existence. The conclusion is clear. CapitalAfflux.com is not a regulated broker and should not be trusted with personal data or financial deposits. Every critical indicator, anonymous domain, unverified license, fake address, broken trading data, and lack of legal framework points to a short-term operation designed to mislead investors. The website's professional appearance serves only one purpose: to collect deposits under the illusion of credibility. Until the company provides a verifiable license number from a recognized regulator, a registered legal entity, and a confirmed trading infrastructure, it must be treated as an unregulated entity with a high risk of fraud. For anyone considering investing, remember this. If a broker's only proof of legitimacy is a beautifully designed website, then you are not buying access to the markets. You are becoming the product.